Hi everyone, this is Mia. She's now 12 weeks old. Aren't you? 12 weeks. This week, someone advised us on, I think it's Facebook, that, about her chewing, that if we crushed up some ice, that would help her chew that rather than us. So we give that a go. And we also got a yak, which is this, and it's really good. Have a look.
Is that nice? Is that?
I've also noticed that Mia's tongue has started to go bluish black. I know most Chow Chow's tongues are black, but I'm not sure if Mia's is going to go all black or stay like this. If anyone knows, drop us a comment.
Good girl.
Okay, I would absolutely love to buy Mia a friend, buy another Chow Chow puppy, but £4,000 is a lot of money. So I decided to get her a little friend, but it's not a Chow Chow dog.
Mia.
This next little clip made me laugh. She didn't hurt herself, but she did have some colours afterwards. It was very funny. Mia met another dog for the first time, and this is how she got on. I was pleasantly surprised, to be honest, how she reacted.
That's all right. That's all right.
So that's Mia, week 12. Please tune in next week as we can take Mia out for her first walk. I've seen some hilarious videos of Chow Chows going for walks that don't want to walk, so it's going to be very interesting. Thanks for watching.